everyone, good evening. So today we will be discussing about the pencils and their shades. Okay, so the pencil, you can see in all the pencils there is two things, that is HB pencil. If there is, can you see, this is HB pencil. This is the normal pencil that we use in day-to-day life. So like this H and B stands for hardness and black. So this H stands for hard and B stands for black. So what is hard and what is black? This hard is clay and this B is black, that is graphite. So normally the pencil is made up of two materials, that is clay and graphite. When there is different ranges, that is H, okay, I have two H, HB, then B, 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B. These are the shades that I commonly use. So I can show you the shades. So when you come to H, this H to H, where the composition of hard, that is clay, will be more and graphite will be less, so that the pencil will be very light. If you see the shades, it is very light. Even if you press more also, it will be very light because there is more clay. There is very less graphite. So when it is H, when compared to 2H, the H will be little darker. So this is the shade of H. So this, we use it for outlines or first layer of shading. For all those purposes we use H and 2H. When you come to HB, this HB pencil is common pencil that we use for writing and other purpose. So HB pencils, you can give normal outlines or the second layer of shading. Mostly we use it for drawing. So it will be easy for erasing also. So I use HB pencil for drawing. So HB pencil contains clay and graphite both. So this both will be in equal ratio. In this H will be more. When compared to H, 2H is where the clay is still more higher when compared to this. In this H and B, both clay and the graphite will be in equal ratio. When it is like B, in B, the graphite is more when compared to clay. So the color will be little darker. So in single shade itself you can see it is quite darker when compared to HB. Then comes the 2B. 2B will be still more darker than the B. Like this. In 4B also, it will be quite darker. So there is a gradient will be there. So if we use the gradient, you can achieve the gradient very easily with the different shades of pencils. Here comes the 6B. 6B is quite darker. To the darkest part. And 8B is still more darker. There is different shades of pencil, materials of pencil. There is a carbon pencils also, charcoal pencils also. So if you see, there is a gradient. So when you see from here, this is the lightest part and this is the darkest part, right? There is a gradient. It grows from lighter to darker, either darker to lighter. This is the reason why we use different shades of pencils. So like when the pencil is small, this is the extender. So I fix and we can use it very easily. That is the reason I asked you to buy this extender, so that this will be very helpful. If you don't have extender also, no problem. You can just try it with your hand. So these are the basic shades of the pencils. So if you I have already made a video like part 1 about the materials required. So in the next video we can discuss about the grayscale, how we can make grayscales. So until then, bye bye.